Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Thank you for being here. It's a story about no one is too busy. It's just a matter of priorities. Once upon a time, in a small, bustling town, there lived a man named Samuel. Samuel was well known for being a successful entrepreneur, always engrossed in a whirlwind of activities, running his businesses and managing his investments. He had a reputation for being incredibly busy, and often used the phrase, "I'm too busy," when asked to attend events, help with projects, or spend time with friends and family. Arriving at his mother's house, Samuel was filled with guilt and regret. His mother, with tears in her eyes, assured him that she would be okay, but gently reminded him that he needed to reassess his priorities. She said, "Samuel, I'm grateful you're here now, but it shouldn't take an emergency for you to be present for the people." However, as he drove toward his mother's house, the phrase, "No one is too busy, it's just a matter of priorities," echoed in his mind. He began to reflect on his life and the choices he had made. Samuel had indeed been successful in his career, but he realized that he had been neglecting the most important aspects of his life. Arriving at his mother's house, Samuel was filled with guilt and regret. His mother, with tears in her eyes, assured him that she would be okay, but gently reminded him that he needed to reassess his priorities. She said, "Samuel, I'm grateful you're here now, but it shouldn't take an emergency for you to be present for the people." Samuel spent the day with his mother, helping her with chores and making sure she was comfortable. It was a wake-up call for him, a reminder that success in business should not come at the expense of the relationships and moments that truly mattered in life. Over the following weeks, Samuel began to change his approach to life. He started to prioritize spending time with his family and friends, even if it meant rescheduling or delegating some of his work responsibilities. He found that he was more fulfilled by these moments than he had ever been by his business achievements. As time passed, Samuel became more balanced in his life. He maintained his success in the business world, but learned to say no when necessary, not because he was too busy, but because he had different priorities. His relationships with his loved ones flourished, and he felt a sense of contentment that he had never experienced before. Samuel became an advocate for the idea that no one is too busy, it's just a matter of priorities. He encouraged others to reflect on their own lives and make time for the things and people that truly mattered. His transformation served as an inspiring example of how a simple shift in priorities could lead to a more meaningful and fulfilling life. Samuel learned that success should not be measured solely by one's professional achievements, but by the happiness and balance one finds in their personal life. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found the content valuable and entertaining, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update.